One of the most important things we're featuring at our show this year is our Configurator. New and developed just for us. It's going to enable any customer to configure a modular drawer storage cabinet just how he or she wants it. You can pick the size, you can pick the number of drawers, and the beauty of this is it helps you find what you need to store what you've got without having to flip through lots of pages.
This is going to give me an ability to show the customer right away, hey, we can do this with your modular drawer units, and get them something they can see and feel, kind of look at prior to purchase.
I'm very impressed with it. It's easy to use, and one of the things I really like about it is it creates a nice piece for me to show my customer and allows them to really see what they're going to get.
That's awesome. You can design any type of modular drawer system cabinet that you want. And soon to come, you'll be able to do your cabinets and other related Stronghold products.
I think that this will allow the customer to see what they're going to get, how you can configure the drawers. I love the fact that it shows the inside of the drawers and the layouts as well.
Our customers are going to very much find value in the Configurator for ease of sizing, customization, colors.
I love it, and I can't wait to use it and show my customers.